Stop being a passenger in your own body. To build strong joints, better mobility, and a healthier life, you need to get in the driver's seat. Before we get started, tell me in the comments, what is your goal today? Moving without stiffness, relieving pain, boosting performance, or just showing your body some love? Your body goes where you lead it. Let's get right into it. Drop down on your mat on all fours. Take a deep breath in, let it out, and get ready for cat cow. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly down, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine up, push the floor away. Keep a smooth, steady breath. Move slow. Three more times. 2. Last one. Nice job. Shake out your wrists. Take a big breath in and out. Stay right here on all fours or thread the needle. Inhale, reach your arm up high. Exhale, slide that arm under your body. Twist through your upper back. Keep your hips still. Let's do 3 more. 2. Last one on this side. Now switch sides. Inhale to reach, exhale to slide under. Three left. 2. Final one. Great work. Bring your hands back to the center. Take a slow, deep breath to reset your core. We have bird dogs coming up next. Inhale to prepare. Exhale as you reach your opposite arms and legs out long. Inhale to bring them back down with control. Keep your belly tight and your hips level. Three more reps. 2. Last one. Perfect. Stand all the way up. Roll your shoulders back. Take a deep breath to relax your upper body as we get ready for shoulder pause. Left side first. Make a slow giant circle with your arm. Move forward, up, turn your palm outside, then reach back and down. Breathe normally here. Don't hold your breath. Keep your torso completely still. Three circles left. 2, 2, last one. Switch sides. Control the movement. Keep rest of the body steady. Three more. Two. Final circle. Good. Take a seat on the floor. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Set up your legs into a 90-degree shape on each side. Sit up tall. Inhale. Then exhale as you drop your knees side to side. Keep your breathing relaxed. Shifting forward is totally normal. Just scoot back and keep moving. Three more changes. Two. Last rep. Awesome. Stand back up slowly. Take a deep breath to find your center. Focus your eyes on one spot ahead, because we are doing single leg RDLs next. Left side first. Inhale to prepare. Exhale as you hinge at your hips and reach your back leg long. Inhale to stand tall. Keep a soft bend in your standing knee. Three more reps. Two. Last one. Switch sides. Find your balance. Take your time on the way down. Three left. Two. Final rep. Excellent. Catch your breath. Shake your legs. Step one foot slightly forward and take a deep breath as we target the ankles. Exhale as you push your knee way forward over your toes. Go deep into your stretch so your heels lift lightly off the floor. Inhale to rock back. Feel the deep release in the ankle and calf. Three more rocks. 2. Last one. Switch sides. Same control. Let that heel come up for a deeper stretch at the end. Three left. 2. Final rep. Great. This is our last transition. Drop back down to all fours on your mat. Take one more deep, full breath to power up for our final movement. Get into half kneeling position with hands inside your foot. Sink the elbow low. Exhale as you twist up to the sky. Inhale as you bring it down, then switch legs and repeat. We are alternating every single rep. Keep it smooth. 5 more to go. 4. 3. 2. Last one. Done. Stronger joints, better movement. Your body goes where you lead it, so keep showing up. If this routine helped you move a little easier today, hit the like button, drop your goal in the comments below, and subscribe for more mobility routines. See you in the next one. I am Furkan, and you were watching Functional Athletica.